In this video we are going to understand how to play chords. So we will open Scratch, maximize it to the full screen. We need a separate sprite. So in the search box we search for trumpet. It's here. Once you click on this, we don't need the cat sprite, we can delete that and place it accordingly on the game stage. Now we need a backdrop. So for the backdrop we are searching for a theater background. Once we have it, so we are all set to give the instructions. Now the instructions are like it has to play when we press a particular chord or a particular key. So from this particular category we take this instruction and we choose like which arrow or key we are going to press, and further next instruction is from the sound, that which particular sound is to be played. From the drop down list there are different chords, we can take any of the chord. So in all of the three separate instructions we are taking different chords, and once you are through with that, we are going to connect it with the first instruction, that when you are going to press this particular arrow then only this particular sound will be played. So once you do that, so this is how it works. We need to save it, and once you click on the save we give an appropriate name, let's say play a chord, and save it.